Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to disable the call icon on your Samsung phone. Have you ever noticed a tiny call icon at the top of your Samsung phone right beside the battery and signal? So many users get confused about what this means. Today I will explain everything about it and also show you how to remove it. Okay, so first let's talk about what this icon actually represent. Okay, this is the call in progress icon. It simply means that a phone call is currently active on your device. So this could be a normal SIM call or even a call on other app like WhatsApp, Messenger or Telegram. Okay, whenever you press the home button during a call, so this little icon stay on the top bar as a reminder that you are on a call. So after the call was completed, don't forget to completely exit your call, so it will not show you the icon. So this icon also represent Wi-Fi calling. Okay, if the Wi-Fi calling is enabled on your phone, at the time you can also get this type of call. Or if you are using dual SIM card setting is enabled on your phone, also it will show you the call option. Okay, so if you're not on call, so just go to the phone settings, go to connection, Wi-Fi calling, and if the Wi-Fi calling is enabled, just you need to simply disable it. Okay, and go back, go to SIM card manager, go to more SIM card, and dual SIM always on is activated, just need to disable it. Okay, so this is the way to exit it. So just don't worry, so the call icon is very normal, so just complete your call, exit your call, and it will don't show you the call. Okay, so that's all today guys, a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.